Okay, today I have a 7.3 that's a crank no start or hard to start in the AM. Customer has relatively new batteries, only a few months old. He's brought it to us, let it sit overnight, and I want to show you the importance. This one's actually going to end up having high resistance in the cable, but if you have a starter that's drawing too many amps and cranking over slow, or you have the high resistance of the cable or weak batteries, it makes a big difference on these. So I'm going to go ahead and start it and show you what I'm talking about, then show you what happens when we put a jumper, just as simple as a jumper on it. See, it cranks over, and to an average person, you may say, "Oh, that's cranking. It's cranking fine. Yeah, it's good." I get that a lot, and then I tell them, "No, it's sometimes it's really important on how much, because on these, the earlier ones, it's only 9 volts until the PCM drops out, and when you have low amperage, low power to the accessories, they can drop out like this. I find it mostly with 99s, 2000s, maybe some 2001s. That's the most vulnerable where I see it on. So anyhow, I'm going to hook a jumper up to it. Try the same thing again. So that's just to show you that it's, even though everything may seem good, you want to look for, even though it's cranking good, don't overlook that. Sometimes you can catch it if you look on your dash. You can see your RPM gauge drop out, go to 0. Anytime that happens, pretty much forget it. There's no more signal to it. That's one indication, but that's not always the case. Just if you have one that's cranking slow, you've got to get it cranking fast. And whether it be the batteries, the cables, or the starter, get that first just so you know what's going on. Because this one doesn't have any codes. It's just a hard start AM. It's the only concern. Thank you.